Hello, ESL 4. Today we are on page 52 and 53 of the book. It is 4/13/2020, April 13th, 2020, a Monday. Welcome back from break. Missed you guys. I still miss you guys, actually. I hope everything is going well. I hope you're all staying safe and healthy. So let's begin. We're doing 2 pages because we got 4 more weeks and 1 more section, and we're blowing through this stuff super fast. So, remember last time we read this article? It's right here, and on page 51 is where it begins. I remember because I made a mistake last week. So, here's the article that we're going to be using for today. It's on page 51. Come over here, page 52. So right now, pause the video, give it a read again. I know we went through it last week, but you may not remember everything because we have been on break. So pause the video and give it a read, okay? Good. You're back. Video is paused. Let's begin. Start with part C. Imagine you are a financial advisor. We're not doing any partner stuff, so just imagine you're a financial advisor. Financial advisor. First question is, what can I do to establish good credit? What would you tell somebody who asked you that question? What can I do to establish good credit? Number 2, same thing. I'm asking you these questions because you are my financial advisor. What should I look for in my credit report? And number 3, how can I add positive information to my credit report? So, we're going to use this article that's on this page and page 51. You're going to go through it, and you're going to find me these answers. Super easy, you guys. Look for the information and what you read. So pause the video, fill this out, okay? Fill this out and pause the video. All right, welcome back. Here are some sample answers. So for the first question, what can I do to establish good credit? Number 1, apply for credit cards. Take out small loans. Apply for a secure card. Okay? So basically you establish credit by applying for credit cards or taking out loans. Sometimes your credit's built through bills, like your gas bill, your phone bill should build credit. All your bills should build credit, especially utilities. So make sure you pay those on time. Number 2, what should I look for in my credit report? Ooh. Now remember, we talked about going to creditkarma.com. It's a free service. I know I showed that to you guys. If you were in ESL 3, I definitely showed it to you. I would have showed it to you today if we were in class together. But creditkarma.com is a pretty good one. As a free credit report, it's very trustworthy, and it shows you all your accounts that are open. So I advise you to look at that if you've never looked at that before. So what should I look for in my credit report? Well, let's see what they say. Errors or omissions, negative information. 100-point question. What does the word omissions mean? Omissions. To omit something is to not have it. So what is it missing? Errors or missing items would be omissions. Okay? So an error on your credit report may be a credit card you don't own. You should call somebody about that. An omission would be not having a credit card on there that you do have. And negative information is something like a bill collector. Someone saying, you owe me money, you did not pay your bill. Okay? And sometimes negative information can be wrong, and the credit report is very nice because you'll see that and you're like, nah, I paid that bill. And you have to contact somebody to have it removed. Which, by the way, you can do on Credit Karma. So, I know it sounds like I'm doing an ad for Credit Karma right now, but they're a pretty good source. It's free. I love it. Alright, number 3. Check that all job information and personal data is accurate. How can I add positive information to my credit report? Check that all job information and personal data is accurate. Okay? What does this mean? It just means that the information on your credit report is correct. Accurate means correct. Okay? Make sure there's no mistakes. Kind of like errors or omissions, negative information. It's pretty similar. So just make sure that all your data is correct on your credit report. Your name's right. Your job information is correct. Sometimes they'll list how much you make a year. If you make more money a year, that's better. All that good stuff. So here are the example answers. I don't get to look at your answers. I wish I could, and I'd tell you if they're right. I know this was a lot of information to go through, you guys. Okay, D says go back through the article and underline 6 words or phrases you do not understand. So, again, we're doing a lot of work with this reading. Go back through, find 6 words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 words that you don't understand. Let's take a look at some of these real quick. These are all pretty straightforward. How about extending? Okay, may feel extending credit to you. Okay, extending means to give you credit. If I extend you something, I am giving it to you. Okay, I extend my hand out to shake yours. It's actually a physical extension when you put your hand out for a handshake. All right, but I'm giving you my hand for a handshake. So, what I want you to do here is find 6 words and take those awesome little phones of yours and find the definitions and write them out. Okay? Look them up in Spanish or your native language, Arabic, French, German, whatever you guys speak for your native language, if it helps. So find 6 words, 6 definitions in English. If you don't understand the definition in English, throw it into a translator, okay, to help you out. We're going to skip E, okay, because we're not going to be doing an outline of the article. Yeah, we're going to skip that. I think that'll be a little difficult just because I'm not there to look at it. You can attempt it if you would like for extra work. Make a list of everything and highlight the points in the article, but you don't have to. So we're coming down to F. Having read the article, which you have done at least twice by now, if not 3 times, what are 4 things you need to do to help establish or maintain your credit? What are 4 things you need to do to help establish or maintain your credit? So pause this. Okay. Alright. So you're back. And if you didn't understand one more time, you're going to go through here and find 4 things you need to do to help establish or maintain your credit. What are the 4 things you do to make your credit better? Okay, to increase your credit or just to have your credit. What do you got to do to get credit? There are going to be 4 things. So if you have to pause the video again, go through the article and find these things. Alright, I'm going to assume that you've done it. You ready? Bam, answer key. Easy peasy. Number 1, open a checking and savings account. Number 2, fix errors and omissions in your credit report. Number 3, add positive information to your report. And number 4, establish credit. Okay? Here are the answers for this. Make some changes if you need to. You might have had different answers. Obviously, I cannot check them. So, I'm going to call it right now, though, because we got 4 weeks left. And that is, what's 4 times 4? 16 more days of this, okay? So I want to make sure we have enough to go through because we have one more chapter to do, or one more unit. So basically, you guys get through this today. That's all you got to do. Make sure you did your grammar, okay? Get through your grammar as well. Plus do your workbook, Burlington English, lesson plan, no, not lesson plans, journals, okay? I need to do more lesson plans. That's what I'm doing after this. Journals, okay? Watch some TV, okay? Burlington English, do some of those readers if you want. Grab a book and read it to your kids. A kid's book is always great. Good practice. Watch cartoons with your kids. Who doesn't like a good cartoon? And besides that, I just really hope you guys are doing really well. If you're all healthy and safe. I miss you. I know this is a skipping record. I say this at the end of everything, but I really do miss you guys. I really do miss having you in class. It makes it so much more enjoyable to have your answers, things we can expand on. I really miss that. You're all brilliant, and I really, really cannot wait to have you in class again. Like, I'm getting a little cabin fever in here, okay? So, I hope you guys are all doing very, very well. I hope your kids are doing very, very well. I hope your whole family is very safe. I hope no one's getting sick. I hope you guys are all taking care of yourselves. And I cannot stress the fact that I miss you guys and I miss having class with you. You are all such wonderful people. So just keep pushing along. We're going to get through this. Things will go back to relatively normal hopefully soon. Just stay safe. Wash your hands a lot. Don't go out unless you have to. And yeah, you guys are great. Give your kids a hug. Tell them how awesome they are and watch some cartoons with them. Watch those cartoons. Good for your English. And I'll see you guys tomorrow with another video. Bye.